my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Girly Bits Nashvegas and MoYou London Trend Hunter Collection 04. I've already got Nailtiques on my nails, and here is Girly Bits Nashvegas. It's from the Honky Tonk Blues collection. Here we go with our first coat. Love the brush, love the formula, love the glitters, love the shimmer. Pink. This one's so blingy. The camera doesn't give you all of what it has to offer. This polish, breathtaking in the sun. There we go. Our first coat's down, and we're going to go in with the second coat here. I love how good this polish is. Loving it. Making sure I don't got any flyaways on the end there. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. We're going to get it to dry down. And with it being a quick dry top coat, that won't take too awful long. Be able to get to the playing part of this here manicure. Of course, all of it's playing for me. Capping that free edge there. Here's a swatch photo of it on its own. Trend Hunter Collection 04 from MoYou London. And today we're going to be using our cube stamper and scraper from Maniology. And I'll be using Shutout from Bases Loaded Lacquer to stamp with. This plate just looked fun, and I just decided I was going to use 5 different images from it and do all the nails different. Get that little thumbnail. Tap, tap. Make sure nothing's flying away. I'm going to clean my stamper off on that lint roller. And I'm going to clean the plate just a little bit, just because I'm going to use that next image beside it. I don't want anything interfering with my pickup here. There we go. Scrape. It's a really neat plate. I just, I needed to kind of get away from my swirly twirlies for a minute and do, something a little different. And this definitely was something different. I'm having to be careful because it's got some really big open image there. And I will admit, right here on this one, I did miss a spot. And I could have stopped, cleaned it off, and started over, but I didn't. I just pushed on through it. And so you're going to see near the tip of my nail where it's supposed to be solid white, there's a little scratched bald spot. But I didn't care. I just kept on going. Alright, so this one's got the lines going that way. I'm going to turn the plate just to go with the flow of the lines for those stripes down at the, well, it would have been at the bottom. I'm going to pick that image up and push it onto the nail. There we go. I love that one. That one turned out really cute. So here we go again with the scraping and the picking up. Get that stuff out of my way. And here we go for applying it to the nail. I'm going to try to make it as straight as I can. There we have it. I am cleaning my little mat and the stamping plate with pure acetone. I go over it and wipe it with a paper towel and go over it some more. I want to make sure I put it up clean. There we go. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get, well, that one little dot's just not going to come up with the tape. It's just decided it's not going to have it. And we'll take care of that little stubborn thing, as well as anything else that didn't come off with the tape. Here with some cleanup brush action and some acetone. There we go. I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. I'm going to get this one to dry down. And then I'm going to apply some Seche Vite to top this one off. There we go. Nice, lovely. Beautiful, beautiful. I loved this one. It was a little busy, a little crazy, and you guys know sometimes that's what I'm game for. Uh-oh, we got some paint on our finger still. Hang on. Gotta get that cleanup brush out again. There we go. Good deal. So that is my manicure. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.